Guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang Zero Flag Project. Flags Project. Ito yun siya mga bansa na pagiging Becky or backstabbing a gay, you will be land into prison or a death penalty. There are 12 of this country. The penalty of homosexuality is death. Uy, kinao ko. Now, let's start. Miss Afghanistan. Uy, death penalty. Hala. Algeria, Bangladesh, Brunei, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Chad, Egypt, Eritrea, Eswatini, Ethiopia, Gambia, Ghana, Grenada, Guinea, Guyana, Indonesia. Hala. Iran, Iraq, Jamaica, Kenya, Kiribati, Kuwait, Lebanon, Libya, Liberia, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritania, Morocco, Myanmar, Nigeria, Oman, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Qatar, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and Grenadines, ganun ba yun? Samoa, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Sudan, and Zimbabwe. So yan siya yung mga penalties. Death. Uy, kahadlok. Ayan siya ang mga penalties nila. Iran is death penalty. Mauritania death penalty. Nigeria death penalty. Uy, kahadlok. Somalia death penalty. Uganda death penalty. United Arab Emirates death penalty. Ay, bato lang namamatay ng mga Pinoy na bakla. Ang dami daw mga transgender. Parang hindi man totoo. Oy. Ayan. Zambia is life imprisonment. Oy, Zimbabwe 1 year. At least 1 year ka lang makulong die. Saudi Arabia death. Oy. Doon ako galing. Di man ako pinatay. Char. Pakistan death. Pero si Maring Zelda ha. Papua sa Qatar din death penalty. Parang very stone age law naman to. Oy. Oh. So ayan siya guys. Makikita nyo, ayan yung mga flag. Oh, Turkey. Now, let's begin the swimsuit competition. Sri Lanka. Saudi Arabia. Diyos ko Lord. Oh, Pakistan. Now, Miss Nigeria. Now, Miss Malaysia. Papakabog ba ang Kuwait? Egypt. Hindi ko na alam ang mga flag to andito. Basta yan yun siya guys. And now, from Middle East, Lebanon. Miss Iran. Ang dami guys. Anyway, these are the countries that being gay or to be gay is either death penalty, life imprisonment, or imprisonment. Yan ang concert gibaw guys. Diyan ang they are supporting LGBT because August 1 is the culminating of Pride Amsterdam and celebration of the 25 years of gay marriage or marriage equality. So the first country in the world who approved marriage equality is Netherlands. The Modern Museum, Study Life Museum, yan ang tinatawag nilang museum for 100 years art, Banksy. Hindi ko alam kung sino mga artist. Yan ang tinatawag nilang. And then we have also here, this is the Van Gogh Museum. And that's the National Museum. And this area is the Museum Plein. This is the most expensive part of Amsterdam. Diyan lang ako nagtatrabaho sa unahan. Kaya, let's begin again for Miss Pakistan. Second, Miss Qatar, representing Qatar. Hindi ko na alam anong Sri Lanka and Saudi Arabia. Ayan. Oh. Galing ka ng Saudi, death penalty talaga. Sierra Leone. Hala. Somalia. Hala. Death penalty. Sri Lanka, 10 years imprisonment. Syria. Ay, mabuti pang Syria. 3 years lang. Togo, 3 years lang. Hala. 3 years sa Tunisia. Tuvalu, 14 years. Ay. United Arab Emirates. Patay. Pero ba't ang daming Becky doon? Mga susuhan pa. Okay, pala hindi nakapasok doon si Fokirat. Hala. No. Representing Sana'a, Yemen. Miss death penalty. Hoy. Zimbabwe, 1 year lang. Kaya ito rin ang mga countries. Hoy. Diyos ko. Ayaw ko na sa earth. Buti na lang Miss Philippines ako. Pero alam nyo guys, marami akong kilalang taga Philippines tapos nag-asylum sila dito on the ground na Becky sila. I don't think ma-approve yun for me ha. Kasi hindi naman pinapatay ng estado ang mga Becky sa Pinas eh. Diba? So, you're here already. So, this is the Rijksmuseum. Andyan yung pinakasikat na painting ni Rembrandt, The Night Watch. If you see that in real, napakaganda at very detailed talaga ang mga brush, ang color, everything. And this is actually the new flag of LGBTQ plus inclusivity. O diba? Ay, ang tangkad ni Kuya. Kuya. Halika. Charis. So, punta na tayo doon. Pogi rin naman si Kuya. Oh.